Welcome back to the HNT Hub. In this segment, we'll be doing a quick unboxing and overview of the brand new Midas-926 gateway. Now that we have the box open, let's go ahead and locate a few of the things that are inside. You'll notice two pockets in this section, and here includes all your accessories for the Midas-926 gateway. The Bluetooth tool is in a small bag located in the same section as the antenna base. Then we have our 3-foot Ethernet cable also included. This small piece of rubber is actually a suction cup for the base. The largest accessory will be your magnetic antenna base. Let's take a closer look at this antenna base connection. You'll notice that it actually does not have a pin for RP-SMA connections. This is a similar design to the Bobcat stock base antenna mount. Then of course, to connect onto the base itself, we have our all-metal antenna. This is very unique compared to the similar Bobcat stock antenna, as it is an all-metal housing rather than plastic. Here's a pro tip. Make sure that you are not cross-threading this connection. This is a measure to take with all antenna connectors. I had some trouble myself at first. If the threading process feels tight and restrictive, chances are it is cross-threading. As you can see here from this point, I was actually fiddling with the antenna and attempting to get it threaded properly. This is not the end of the world. Just go ahead and untighten the threading and realign the threads to re-tighten your antenna connection. Now here is the antenna threaded on. I noticed a small gap in between the connection, but that's okay because I ensured that the connection was fully secured. Last but not least, we have the power supply, which is a 5-volt DC barrel jack. It's a 5.5 by 2.5 by 10 millimeter DC barrel jack for those of you that need to use a PoE system. That is the barrel jack that you will be using. Okay, accessories are out of the way. Now we will go over the different ports on the Midas-926 gateway. Don't forget your quick start guide, and I also have written a revised version of this guide via my blog, which the link will be in the description, which I will cover this revised guide in essentially my next video, which will be an onboarding guide for the Midas-926 gateway. This coax connector is where your antenna will plug into. A 5-volt 3-amp DC input, then your Ethernet port and your Bluetooth button as well. There are also 4 status indicator LEDs on the front panel of your Midas-926 gateway. And man, is this thing hefty. I love the feel of it. It's got a really nice weight. And that wraps it up for our Midas-926 gateway overview and unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this short segment. In the next video I mentioned, I will be releasing a Midas-926 gateway onboarding guide. If you're interested in purchasing a Midas-926 gateway, head down to the description below for a link. I will include a discount code for 15% off your gateway. Also, be sure to join the official Midas wireless community. Head over there for any questions you may have and get the most up-to-date information on anything related to your Midas gateway. Until next time, like, subscribe, and do the share thing. Yeah, share this, please. Why not? Appreciate yous. But of course, thank you so much for tuning in to the HNT Hub.